what exactly is Success by Emotions tool?
It's the process of setting a goal and then listing some benefits that you'll receive by achieving that goal, and then listing some emotions that you'll be feeling after you've achieved the goal. And then feeling those emotions over and over and over again. And the process I suggest is you read the goal, you read the emotions. You read the first benefit, you read the emotions. You read the second benefit, you read the emotions. And you just keep going through and you write this down on a page, because people that write down their goals are much more successful than people that don't. And so writing it down on a page, and then you can just read the page. You can read the page when you're discouraged, you can read the page when you're excited, and every time you're going through it, you're accumulating emotions. And finally, you accumulate enough emotions that you change your mindset. And once your mindset's changed, then you can accomplish anything. That you can accomplish your goal.
Okay, very well said.